Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Samsung theme. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to change your Samsung theme is go ahead and open the settings app. Or better still, pinch your Samsung phone screen with 2 fingers. Locate and click on themes. Once you click on themes, this is going to take you to the Samsung Galaxy themes page. On the page, you have a video theme, you have high quality themes, you have editor speak, and so many others. So go ahead and then search for the wallpaper you want to download, or better still, click on the search box at the top right and search for maybe black or any design you want to use. So you see that? Once you search for your choice of wallpaper, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the wallpaper. Once you click on it, then you see download, go ahead and click on it. And after downloading, then this is going to install the theme on your Samsung phone. Now to apply the theme, just go ahead and click on apply. And then you see applying theme. Now you'll be prompted to choose whether to apply the theme to your home screen alone or home screen and lock screen. And then you see it pop like this. And that's it. So that is exactly how to change Samsung phone themes. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.